How's it going, guys? Bainey here, and welcome to video 25 of Facebook ads for small businesses, where I teach small business owners just like you exactly how to run Facebook ads for your business so you don't have to pay someone like me thousands of dollars a month to do it for you. In today's video, guys, video 25, I'm going to be showing you some audience insights. I'm going to show you a couple quick ways where you can find interests and audiences of people that might be interested in your product, going off some of the other people that might already like your page and stuff like that. This has changed a lot recently. It used to be a lot more detailed. Facebook's restricted a lot of it, so this is a very basic version of audience insights. I'm going to show you how to find the audience insights section, how to navigate it a little bit, and how I use it to find interests and audiences that might be interested in my product. Hopefully you get some value out of it. And before we get started, guys, if you're following along, hit that subscribe button for us, hit that like button, leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and let's jump into today's video. So your account should look something like this, and you want to come over here to the lines on the left hand side and scroll down to audience insights. It should look something like this. Unfortunately, if you don't have a decent size, so you come over here to potential audience. Unfortunately, if you don't have a decent sized audience on your Facebook page, this isn't going to be available yet. This is really for people that have a couple thousand already on their Facebook page. But I'm just going to show you for when you do have that audience, that bigger audience anyway. So this used to look a lot different. You used to be able to search the whole of Facebook audience and find audiences that matched interests, and it used to be way better, but Facebook's changed it all, so it's very basic now, which is unfortunate because it used to be a good way to find audiences. You just want to probably duplicate this. You want to go back to the ads manager, and let's pretend we're setting up an ad. Just pick anything, doesn't matter. This is just for example purposes, so don't worry too much about all the other stuff I'm filling out. Again, this is the campaign level. This is where we first set up the ad. We're not going to worry about that for now. I'm just going to take you to the interest where we put in the interests, and that's on the ad set level. So we want to scroll down here where it says detailed targeting. So this is where we type in interests that our audience might be interested in. Say if I'm selling baby products, I would type in baby, see what comes up. Sometimes it takes a little while to come up. So you could have baby shower, baby shop, baby center, Johnson's baby, depending on the baby product you're selling. If you're baby wear, baby clothes, it's endless. But let's say baby shower, for example. So I want to target people that are having a baby shower soon, because obviously they're having a baby soon, then I can sell them baby product. That's one interest you could target. And if you wanted to find similar interests to that, a good way is just to hit this suggestion button just down here. So suggestion, and then it brings up all the other interests that are similar to this one. So this is a really good way of finding interests that your target audience will probably be interested in. It's 1.4 million. That's your audience size of baby shower. That's for Australia. That means your ad has an audience size of 1.4 million. Obviously, you're not going to reach that many people, but it's dependent on what your daily budget is. But this is just a really easy, quick way to get different audiences. But let's say you've got a page with 3,000 or 4,000 people on there. You could come over here, go to audiences, go to potential audience over here, scroll down, and it will tell you the pages that people who like your page are following. One of the pages I run ads for, 13% of the people like Tasty. So let's come over here and we could just go, doesn't work for all of them, but we will try it. Tasty. So we go, there we go. So because I know that most of the people that like my page like this page. So then I could go and I could put that interest in there, and it's 2.4 million. And then I could come down here and, okay, people who like that page like MasterChef, they like cooking channels, they like recipes. So these are all good interests that I could target as well. Of course, I know the audience that are already on my page like this page, and then I can target similar interests, stuff like that. So let's try another one. Hamish and Andy obviously is going to show up. What's that? 10% of people that like my page also like Hamish and Andy. So then you can come down here. Obviously, Hamish and Andy will probably come. I don't know. How do you spell Hamish and Andy will probably come up. Yep. And there we got an audience size of 840,000, more than enough than we need to target. But then if you wanted to find more interest like Hamish and Andy, again, you just hit the suggestions, the project, and comedy club. All these would be good interests to target as well, depending on what your product, if you're selling, I don't know, makeup, probably not a good place to target sunrise or rock music, or, obviously go through the interests and see which ones are best. But as you can see, there's plenty of different options there for you, and you just scroll through there, and we'll obviously get into split testing, and I'll show you what to do when we're creating ads. You should only use one interest at a time, and how we split test different audiences and different creators and stuff like that. That's later on down the track once we start actually launching the ad. For this video, I just wanted to show you how you could find different audiences and different interests that might be interested in your product and stuff like that. So hopefully that's helpful. That's it for this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment, guys, if you have any questions whatsoever. Feel free to share these videos with your friends. If your friends got a business, they're selling products already but they don't know how to do internet marketing, show them these videos. They can literally do it all themselves, so they don't have to pay anyone else, and then they can start making money selling their own products online. That being said, in the next video, guys, I'm just going to show you the naming convention that I use just to keep things in order when I'm running ads, because if you don't name your ads properly, when you've got 10 or 15 ads running, it gets pretty confusing. That's the next video, guys. And if you are following along, don't try and skip videos, especially if you're brand new. Watch every single video from start to finish. Don't look at the title and think, oh, I don't need this one because it doesn't make sense, or whatever. Just watch them all from start to finish, because if you're brand new, it's probably a lot to take in, and it probably doesn't make sense yet, but it will make sense once you follow every video step by step, and by the end of it and you're running ads, it'll all make sense, trust me. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.